Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a free game animation video for VFX purposes. Follow these steps to make your own amazing animations without spending a dime. First, you need to choose a free game engine that supports animation creation. Some popular options include Unity and Unreal Engine. Download and install the chosen game engine on your computer. Next, find free assets such as characters, objects, and backgrounds that you can use in your animation. You can find these on websites like OpenGameArt or itch.io. Make sure to check the license and usage rights to ensure they can be used for VFX purposes. After gathering the necessary assets, import them into your game engine. Most game engines have a built-in asset importer that allows you to easily bring in your downloaded objects. Arrange and position your assets to create the desired animation scene. Now it's time to animate your assets. Game engines usually provide animation tools, such as the timeline and keyframe animation systems. Use these tools to create movement and actions for your characters and objects. Experiment with different animations to make your video more dynamic and interesting. Once you are satisfied with your animation, it's time to export it as a video file. In the game engine, find the export options and choose the desired video format and settings. Remember to optimize the video settings for VFX purposes, such as resolution and frame rate. After rendering the video, you can further enhance it by editing it in free video, editing software like DaVinci, Resolve, or HitFilm Express. Add effects, adjust colors, and trim the video to make it even more appealing. Now you have successfully created your own free game animation video for VFX. Use it in your projects or share it with others to showcase your talent. Remember to keep experimenting and practicing to improve your animation skills. Happy animating!